Meaning of Flodden.
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 Flodden. Flodden refers to the Battle of Flodden, which was fought on September 9, 1513, near the village of Branxton in Northumberland, England. The battle was between the English army, under the leadership of King Henry VIII, and the Scottish army, led by King James IV. The result of the battle was a decisive victory for the English army, with the Scottish army losing around 10,000 men including their king. The battle is considered one of the bloodiest in British history and marked the end of the medieval period in England.